What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing another install. We're gonna be doing a K-Sport coilover install on the E46 wagon. Hopefully we can get a little bit more low without affecting the ride quality too much, and it'll just make it look a little bit cleaner. Let's see. All right, so as you guys can see right now, the car's sitting like pretty high. I mean, stock height. It's actually not terrible for stock height. Yeah, if we could just close that gap out. It's definitely a lot worse in the front actually, but this is what it is. So step one is we get jack the car. And then once you get the car jacked up, obviously you want to take the wheel off so you can access all the goodies in there. And there's going to be this main bolt right here. There's another little bolt right there. And then the bolts on top. You can see there's 3 of them. This is what the coilover looks like installed.
5 hours later.
The end link is installed. We got Darren, he's here.
Hi.
And then, so we're gonna put the wheel back on, and that's gonna be the front. We'll see how low it is. Let's check it out. All right, this is what it looks like as it's sitting on the ground. The coil's almost max. It's maybe a couple threads off, but yeah, that's a pretty good height for the front. Let's see what it looks like when we get the backs done.
I'm gonna be too low.
No, you don't want to look any dumber than you normally do. This is what we've been needing. This is exactly what the show's been needing.
All right, guys, so it actually got too dark and I didn't continue filming my install, so I'm just gonna give you my thoughts on the coils. As you can see, I destroyed the trunk because on the wagons you have to get to the top of the strut tower, which is behind these, so you have to disassemble the whole trunk to get to them. I mean, as far as I know, maybe I'm dumb. But as you guys can tell, it looks significantly better. The front's a little bit high, I need to bring it down, but looks way better than it did before. I've driven it around now for like a day and a half, and the ride quality is honestly still very, very good. For being coilovers, it doesn't feel that stiff when you hit bumps. I haven't scraped at all, which is surprising because the rear is tucked like crazy. It's nuts. Overall, I think these are great coilovers that you can install on your E46, especially the wagons. The wagons look a little bit better in my opinion. The ride quality, great. It looks so much better than it did stock, and the install was easy. It was only like 4 or 5 bolts in the front and 3 bolts in the rear on each side. Not bad at all. This is my daily driver, and I installed these coils on it. It's a little bit stiffer than the stock suspension. They are coilovers, but honestly, they're still very comfortable to drive with. And I haven't scraped. I haven't had any of the issues I've had with the Z at all. With the Z being on coils, it's a world of a difference. Anyways, guys, if this video provided you any value, make sure to hit the like button and even subscribe because I got a lot of cool things coming for this E46. You're not gonna wanna miss them.
Am I gonna wanna miss it?
You're not gonna, no.
We are gonna miss it?
No, like I just said, you're not gonna wanna.
We're not gonna wanna miss it.
You don't wanna miss them. Hit this, click the red button below, click it.